Welcome to Auto Trends Today, your go-to destination for the latest updates, in-depth reviews, and exciting insights into the world of automobiles. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a tech lover, or just someone curious about the future of transportation, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest trends and innovations in the automotive industry. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about electric vehicles on the market, the Tesla Model S Plaid. This car is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of speed, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Let's break it down and see what makes the Model S Plaid a game-changer. The Tesla Model S Plaid is a performance beast. It's powered by a tri-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers an astonishing 1,020 horsepower. This allows the car to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.99 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars in the world. The top speed is an impressive 200 miles per hour, and it can cover a quarter mile in just 9.23 seconds. If you're looking for a car that combines electric efficiency with supercar performance, the Model S Plaid is it. One of the biggest concerns with electric vehicles is range, but the Model S Plaid puts those worries to rest. It boasts an EPA-estimated range of 396 miles on a single charge, making it one of the longest range EVs available. When it comes to charging, Tesla's supercharger network is second to none. With a V3 supercharger, you can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. Home charging is also convenient, with the ability to add up to 44 miles of range per hour using a Tesla wall connector. Step inside the Model S Plaid, and you're greeted with a minimalist yet futuristic interior. The most striking feature is the 17-inch touchscreen display, which controls almost every aspect of the car. The Yoke-style steering wheel is another standout feature, giving the interior a spaceship-like feel. The car also comes with a 22-speaker, 960-watt audio system that delivers studio-quality sound. Tesla's infotainment system is powered by a custom AMD Ryzen processor, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. The Model S Plaid comes standard with Tesla's advanced Autopilot system, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, automatic lane keeping, and self-parking. For those who want even more autonomy, Tesla offers the full self-driving FSD package, which promises to eventually enable fully autonomous driving. While FSD is still in beta and requires driver supervision, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. Tesla has always prioritized safety, and the Model S Plaid is no exception. It comes with a suite of advanced safety features, including collision avoidance, emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The car's rigid structure and low center of gravity also contribute to its excellent safety ratings. The Tesla Model S Plaid starts at around $89,990, which is a premium price tag but justified by the car's performance, technology, and luxury features. When you consider the savings on fuel and maintenance, the total cost of ownership becomes more competitive. The Tesla Model S Plaid is more than just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of automotive technology. With its jaw-dropping performance, long range, and cutting-edge features, it's no wonder this car is making waves in the industry. Whether you're a speed enthusiast or a tech geek, the Model S Plaid has something to offer. That's it for today's episode of Auto Trends Today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Tesla Model S Plaid, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay tuned and keep driving into the future.